In detail. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma has asked the Department of Public Health Engineering to order an immediate inquiry into the allegations made by the Federation of Khasi, Jaintia and Garo people about the unsafe drinking water supply in 44 localities in Shillong city. Talking to DD News Meghalaya, the Chief Minister said the state government is examining the report submitted by the organization on Tuesday. As per FSSAI standards, the normal pH value of drinking water ranges from 6.5 to 8.5 respectively. Below 6.5, the water is said to be acidic in nature.
Into the entire process and especially the 46 tanks that they have mentioned, and also to ensure that we go into all the other areas that are there. It's a large network, large system, and therefore we need to ensure that we take all the aspects into consideration. But as I said, nonetheless, we are not taking anything lightly. We will examine all the factors.